Jaz sem pri trdo poslu, raje bi kaj mehkejšega, da bi ne bi to križ bolj.
Premehka, malo me nese na eno stran, malo na drugo, zbudim se bolj utrujen kot pa spočit.
Meni moje ležišče je pretrdo, njemu je pa ravno prav.
Ja, ampak je pa težko najti pravo ležišče.
Did you know that as many as 60% of people are dissatisfied with the firmness of their mattress?
Hi, I'm Karen Witchells-Plunkett, and I'm delighted to introduce the new improved Dormeo iMemory Silver mattress. It's actually two mattresses in one. The iMemory Silver mattress is the result of in-depth research of sleep by our experts and scientists. It's orthopedic, anatomical, anti-allergenic, and most importantly, it's extremely comfortable. It's the first and only mattress on the market whose firmness can be adjusted according to your needs. It's a mattress of double comfort.
The iMemory Silver mattress core is composed of harder and softer sides that can be freely rotated, even with the double mattress that has two distinct independent rotatable cores within one cover. Men are usually heavier and thus need a firmer mattress, while women generally need a softer mattress. With its rotatable cores, the mattress easily adapts to the needs of both sleepers. Its 3 zones also ensure proper support for your body and complete relaxation.
Še posebno fino je to ležišče, ki je enojno in ima možnosti mehkejše in trše variante, kar se mi zdi super. Prej smo pa spali tako nekako vsak na svojemu ležišču, pa tiste luknje vmes. Skratka, to se mi zdi perfektna zadeva.
The mattress is made for everybody, since mattresses often prove to be either too hard or too soft once you've bought them. In fact, studies show this is the case with 60% of people. Are you one of them? Well, with the Dormeo iMemory Silver mattress, you can't go wrong. It's ideal for everybody.
Random passers-by were asked to try out 3 mattresses, but they didn't know that all 3 mattresses were the same, only that we variously adjusted the firmness of the core. Let's take a look at why they chose certain mattresses.
Jaz imam vedno rajš mehko ležišče.
Meni je super, ker me tako lepo objame.
Jaz sem bila najprej na uni strani, pa mi tam ni bilo všeč.
Pa sem jaz malo zrinil stran.
Tukaj pa zdaj prodaver tako.
Meni je pa moja stran super.
Prva postelja je bila zame premehka zaradi težav s hrbtom.
Jaz sem se pa že na drugih čudovito počutil.
Ampak tale, ki je na obeh stranih trda, se mi zdi, da je pa odlična za naju.
Dormeo iMemory Silver, a double comfort mattress that allows you to choose your firmness and thus your optimum comfort level.
Using Climalite Silver technology, the mattress cover makes sure you're neither too hot nor too cold at night and that you don't perspire. Microcapsules in the iMemory foam detects the temperature of your body and regulates the temperature of the mattress so it's just perfect. This means you'll have a really pleasant night's sleep on the mattress, as if you're sleeping in the open air.
Po noči sem se pribujal, odšel v dnevno sobo, skušal čas preživeti z gledanjem televizije, kar je seveda mi potem povzročilo pomanjkanje spanca.
Včasih je po noči odpiral okna, zaradi tega, ker mu je bilo vroče, ker se je potil tega, zdaj enostavno ni več, tako da zdaj se je naša kvaliteta spanja res zelo izboljšala.
The Dormeo iMemory Silver mattress adjusts itself to suit your body as though it was made for you. The 3-zone core gives ideal support, relaxation and regeneration, and combined with memory foam has therapeutic properties. It's ideal for people with neck and back pain and for everyone who wants to wake up feeling fully rested.
Ljudje smo različni in tudi naše potrebe so različne. Zato je ležišče iMemory Silver odlična izbira, saj nudi možnost, da vsak izbere pravo čvrstost zase, poleg tega pa ima blagodejne učinke na telo. 3-consko jedro in spominska pena poskrbita, da ležišče se popolnoma prilagodi našemu telesu in pa sami hrbtenici. Praktično gre za enakomerno porazdelitev proti pritiskov na telo, kar omogoči, da se hrbtenica bolje regenerira in posledično vpliva na zmanjšanje bolečin v križu.
Pri Dormeju mi je zelo všeč tudi to, da ko se uležem na posteljo, zelo hitro najdem pozicijo, pravo lego, kako naj ležim. In presenetilo me je predvsem to, da že kar nekaj mesecev, ko vstajam iz Dormeja, ne čutim nobene bolečine v križu. Ker to je verjetno tudi od mojega plesa, posledice se kažejo po mnogoletnem plesanju in to je zelo prijeten občutek in tisto, kar potrebujem, spočita se zbuditi.
Did you know that more than a third of people suffer from allergies? Stay with us. In the next few minutes, you'll find out how Dormeo experts and scientists have used silver to create an innovative anti-allergenic mattress.
Treat yourself to a healthy sleep night after night. Call and order iMemory Silver. The decision is simple. Here's a mattress designed for all with adjustable firmness that ensures complete comfort, which you yourself can choose at all times. Call now and order iMemory Silver for yourself and those you love most.
Jaz imam probleme z alergijami že čisto od otroštva, Lara tudi. In ko sem bila majhna, sem bila res boga. No. Na splošno se slabo počutiš, z nosa ti teče, kašljaš, smrkaš, kihaš, cel imunski sistem ti pade. No. Tako da to je res velik problem, ker celotna kakovost življenja je zaradi tega slabša.
This is how much dust we vacuumed up from a 7-year-old mattress. Mostly dead skin cells and a real delicacy of dust mites. Mites, and to be precise, their feces, are the main causes of allergies.
Ljudje, ki so preobčutljivi na pršico, se ji morajo izogibati. Svetujem ležišče, v katerem se pršica ne razmnožuje. To je ležišče Dormeo, ki je zračno, pralno in omogoča dober spanec brez simptomov alergijskega nahoda.
Dormeo je rešil precej naših težav z alergijo, odkar ga imamo, res vsi precej boljše spimo.
There's nothing like sleeping in a fresh bed. At Dormeo, we believe that mattress cleanliness is extremely important for healthy sleeping. That's why our mattress cover is removable and washable at 60 degrees, the temperature that destroys dust mites.
Super je to, da lahko prevleko snamem in jo operem, ker zdaj ta razvada Bojanova, da pije v posli kavo, me v bistvu več ne moti, niti se več ne jezim, če je umazano, ker res 1, 2, 3 prevleko snamem, se opere, posušim in potem ležišče zopet oblečem nazaj v prevleko.
Believing in the power of nature, our experts have improved the mattress with revolutionary natural anti-allergenic protection. The first step was to prevent unhealthy dust building up in the mattress. The fabric is gently interwoven with silver fibres that repel dust particles with their anti-static charging, giving the mattress hygienic protection. In step 2, silver ions provide antimicrobial and antifungal action. This makes it practically impossible for dust mites to develop in the mattress. Step 3. Silver has an antiseptic action. It cleans the mattress and eliminates unpleasant smells in a natural way. Dormeo iMemory Silver Mattress is ideal for anyone who suffers from allergies and for everyone who wants to sleep on a clean and healthy mattress. The mattress is also ideal for couples. From now on, you'll no longer be woken up by your partner tossing and turning. Take a look at this experiment using an ordinary mattress and the Dormeo iMemory Silver Mattress.
On a normal mattress, weight is transferred and causes the glass to fall over. On the iMemory mattress, the weight is not transferred, thus ensuring your partner a peaceful and sound sleep.
Žena so ugotovila dejansko, da sploh več ni teh trslajo, ker se je kdo kaj premetava po noč, da sploh ni čuti tega in so res bolj mirno spiva. No.
Odkar imam Dormeo, boljše spim, pa Lara tudi.
Ležišče Dormeo bi pa priporočila prav vsem tistim, ki preživljajo zelo aktivno svoj prosti čas, ki imajo naporne službe in pa tudi tistim, ki uživajo v počivanju, v spanju, ki se radi razvajajo.
Moja asociacija prva na besedo Dormeo je ja, vedno in vedno in še.
Do you suffer from allergies, neck or back pain? Does your restless partner keep you awake at night? Is your mattress too hard or too soft? Call now and order the Dormeo iMemory Silver, a mattress that can solve all your problems. It's time for you to wake up feeling rested and full of energy.
Call and order the iMemory Silver. The decision is simple. Here's a mattress designed for all with adjustable firmness that ensures complete comfort, which you yourself can choose at all times. With its silver fiber protection, the mattress is anti-allergenic and therefore suitable for any allergy sufferer. It is also orthopedic and anatomic, making it suitable for all those who experience neck and back pain. Its memory foam also provides incredibly beneficial therapeutic properties. Because we're convinced that you're going to fall in love with this mattress, we're offering a free 30-day trial. Call now and order iMemory Silver for yourself and those you love most.